Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website. After that, this is search icon right hand side and then click on it and then enter the model number of graphic card. Go for RTX 4070 AERO O6 12G and then click on the product and then click on name of the title and then click on support and select operating system Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system installations process same. So this is your driver and this is version. Okay, and you can see this size and this is download icon. When you click to download, it will start downloading. You can see in the download box it will start downloading. It will take some time, 4 to 5 minutes, and depend about your internet. Okay, and then click on three dot. After download, click on three dot and go to download. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed, then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see NVIDIA package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that, you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete, driver installations will start. After that, you can see. Okay, now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next, and then restart your system. You can see this is icon next, license options, and here to step finished. And after that, also completed driver, then restart your system.